Are you tired of not closing enough deals? You've sent the emails, you've crafted the pitches, and all you've gotten back is silence. Well, it's not you, it's your outreach script. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what makes an outreach copy irresistible, sharing examples and giving you the tools to finally get those yes replies in 2025. And trust me, these scripts work no matter what business you're in. Hi there, I'm Veronica, and if your cold email campaigns look like this, or like this, or if the best you get is not now but maybe in the future, then this video is for you. A good open rate for your emails should be somewhere around 50–80%, and your reply rate should hit 3 to 5% per email. So how do you get there? By the end of this video, you'll understand the key components of a winning outreach script, learn why some scripts fail to connect, and get actionable tips to craft your best outreach email yet. Let's start and write a great cold email together. Point number 1, opening line and icebreaker. Your opening line is your first impression, so make it count. Begin with a clear problem that your prospect is likely facing. For example, I notice you're scaling your sales team. Don't you sometimes struggle to onboard new reps fast enough to hit your Q1 goals? This shows you've done your research and you understand the challenge. You also get to your point very quickly. Prospects know right away that you want to talk about the onboarding process. This topic is relevant because they recently posted job offers and are scaling their team. Plus, it's January, so Q1 targets are the top of their mind. And one more tip, avoid generic phrases like, I hope this email finds you well. Skip the part completely. Instead, customize the opener based on LinkedIn activity, website updates, or industry news. Point number 2, value proposition. Next, show them why they should care. Your value proposition must be clear and impactful. For example, your company reviews your onboarding process and provides simple ways to speed it up with automation. Remember, it's about them, not you. Avoid writing, our product specializes in XYZ, or we make your onboarding go smoothly. Focus on 1 or 2 key features that are best suited to solve the problem. Be specific, but avoid using jargon they might not understand. Point number 3, social proof. Now it's time to back up your claims with proof. Use specific examples, testimonials, or case studies to build credibility. For example, company now completes their onboarding process in 2 weeks without skipping any steps, down from over a month. This establishes trust and shows your prospects that you're not just making empty promises. If possible, mention a competitor or similar company so your prospects can relate to their challenges. Point number 4, CTA. Finally, end with a clear, actionable call to action. Make it easy for them to take the next step and reply yes. For example, want to check it out yourself? Avoid vague CTAs like let me know if you're interested and be specific about what you want them to do. And so let's summarize this. Start with a strong opening line that resonates, deliver a value proposition that solves their pain point, build trust with social proof, and finish with a clear and compelling CTA. And there it is, the perfect short and sweet email that you can adjust to your offer and ICP. I notice you're scaling your sales team. Don't you sometimes struggle on board new reps fast enough to hit your Q1 goals? Your company/tool reviews your onboarding process and provides simple ways to speed it up with automation. Company now completes their onboarding in 2 weeks without skipping any steps, down from over a month. Want to check it out yourself? And I have a bonus tip for you because you can forget about follow-ups to your main message. To bring new insight with each follow-up, rephrase your value proposition. Highlight another angle of your solution to keep the prospect interested. Add more social proof. Share additional testimonials or case studies to build credibility further. Imagine your inbox filled with replies and meeting requests, all because you nailed your outreach script. Now it's your turn. What part of this script feels the most challenging for you? Drop a comment below and maybe I can provide some more tips for you. And of course, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more outreach tips. See you in the next one. Bye!